Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the fuse for the radio or navigation is located. Stay with us, you have actually up to 4 fuses and we're going to share each one of them. Some are inside the vehicle, some are outside, so we'll cover all that today. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan, guys, on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the food well, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here. Remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So you saw the fuse box inside, that we have that fuse box. Actually what we did, we took a picture of that fuse box so we can show you with a great detail where the fuses are located, because practically it's impossible to see that, guys. So the first fuse that we need to check is known as a quark fuse, and if you come to the second row right here, 1, 2, then you need to come to the second row, second fuse right here. If you guys need to replace fuses, test them, anything like that, okay, we have a special video that explains that, because it's very important actually to test the fuses. You may think you have a good fuse when actually it's a bad fuse, and we'll put the link to a video that explains how to test the fuse in just a few seconds and find out if it's good or bad. Now we have another fuse for the radio as well. You need to come to the 4th row, so we're going to come 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to come down to module number 4 fuse, 1, 2, 3 right here. That 7.5 amp fuse, that's the one, okay, for that radio as well. But which one, okay, is for the radio as well? That's pretty simple, guys. You have one fuse that's a 15 amp fuse, it's known as an audio fuse, okay, and check this one here as well. All you have to do, just pull that yellow thing, it will pull the two fuses together, and you need to replace the 15 amp left fuse and replace it with a new one if it's burned. So check this thing out. Now we also guys have one that's actually, okay, in that fuse box in the engine compartment, you can see right here. So all we have to do, okay, one tap here, one there, squish, pull it up. You can see the fuses are actually reading on the inside, and we actually made a picture of the cover so we can show you with a great detail, okay, where exactly those fuses are located. So the fuse that we actually need to check, guys, okay, it's that fuse right here, B/UPLP. That's this 10 amp fuse, okay, right here. And if you need to replace it, okay, you have that fuse puller, grab it, okay, put it on the fuse and remove it like that. Now most of the times you can see the fuse is good, in some cases you can't, so we'll always recommend to test them, guys. We'll put the link to a video where you can see how to test them in a few seconds. Also, if you need to buy replacement fuses for a great price, check out the link in the description of the video below. When you're ready to install it, all you have to do, go ahead and push it inside, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.